Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be reviewing and demoing the new Sephora Skin Care Line. So I picked up this line right here from Sephora. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited when I saw it on Instagram. I was like, let me go to the store and just try it out for a little bit. So I tried it out at the store and I really liked it. And then I saw that it came in a kit, which was very beneficial and very economically priced, I guess you would say. Yeah, so I picked up this Sephora Essentials kit. I'm trying to find the exact name of the new line. I'm not pretty sure, but I know that this kit does come with, hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully it's not too bright for you guys, but this kit does come with a cleanser, it comes with a moisturizer, and it comes with a mud mask. This is the Sephora Essentials kit that I picked up. It's called the Clean Skin Gel. This one cleanses and tones your face and your body, so you can use it on your face and your body, which is awesome. And then this little pink one right here is the All Day Hydrator, which hydrates and glows, which is good. The little tiny one up here, the little green one, is called the Purifying Mud Mask. So it's clear and it clears and mattifies your skin, which is nice. If you guys like this type of skincare videos, let me know. And of course, I will upload more of these videos. So of course, thumbs up this type of video, comment down below. And also, I love interacting with you guys, which is amazing. But also, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications on next to my name so that you never miss a video from one. So, I will go ahead and show the demo. Guys, I'm starting off with this cute little package. This is what the Essentials kit looks like. The packaging is so super cute. The back just tells specs, and the side gives you a little bit of extra information on these particular products. This is the Clean Skin Gel, and this is the All Day Hydrator, which is their moisturizer, and of course the mud mask. So I'm starting off with the cleanser, and the cleanser felt so good. It was just super amazing. You get a lot of product in this bottle, so it shouldn't. For $20, it's a really good deal to get the Essentials pack, but the cleanser felt so good. So I'm just putting that all over my face. This cleanser you can actually put on your eyes, which is actually really good. Most cleansers you are not able to put on your eyes. So you're seeing me just lather up that cleanser, which it didn't take a lot. I just used like a pea-sized amount, and it cleansed my entire face just like this. So now I'm just removing the cleanser, and it felt so refreshing. It left my skin feeling so smooth, and I really like that. Now I'm taking the mud mask. The mud mask did have a little smell to it. It wasn't the best smell in the world, but as you see, I am actually just patting the mud mask all over my face, and I'm going to distribute it all over my face. You do want to apply the cleanser, the moisturizer, and the hydrator working upward. You don't want to work downward on your face, because if you do, then your oxygen and gravity already pulls your face down. So now you see I'm just watching YouTube videos on my phone and waiting about 2 to 3 minutes until the mud mask dries. And as you see, it's hard to move my face, so that's how you know that the cleanser or the mud mask is dry. So now I'm just removing it, and this left my face feeling even smoother, and it got rid of all of the pimples that I had on my face, which was like super amazing. So I really suggest these products to you guys. And then you guys see here, I am just using the last part, which is the moisturizer. The moisturizer is just like a lovely, it smells clean, refreshing, it leaves your face nice and brightened. I just really like it. It's just like a nice lotion. is 30 milliliters or 1.01 fluid ounces. To me, this does have zinc in it, which is good to help your skin, of course, but it did have like a weird smell to it, as you guys can see up here. It does have a weird smell, but it actually felt good. So when you apply it to your face, you want to wait about 2 minutes until it completely dries. It does firm your face and has that like weird, like you can hardly move your face type of feel for this mud mask. It was actually pretty nice, and from letting know, it did wipe off very smoothly, and I really like that. So the mud mask smelled bad, but actually worked really great, so I thought that was cool. The cleanser, which is nice, I didn't know this one is amazing because most cleansers you can't use in your eyes, but this one, it says you can use for your face, eyes, and your neck, which is good. It cleanses and tones your face as well. So this one does have amino acids in it as well, which is good. And it has 99% ingredients from the natural origin. This one is a 4.22 fluid ounce bottle, which is great. And then the hydrator or the moisturizer is their all-day hydrator. So you can, it says to hydrate and glow, and it has 96% ingredients from the natural origin. This bottle is a 1.69 fluid ounce. And so I'm going to let you guys know about the times that you can use these particular items. So the cleanser, let's start with the cleanser. The cleanser is for AM and PM use, so you can use this daily, which is nice. And it says to wet the skin and moisturize all over your face, eyes, and your neck area, which is nice. Your décolleté, or I think it's called décolleté, it's like this area of your neck. So you can use that, and then it says to rinse off. And then that's nice. Mud mask is a little bit stronger. So the mud mask, it says from 1 to 2 times. The mud mask you want to use 1 to 2 times a week. It says apply to your face and neck, avoid the eye area, let dry, and rinse with warm water. So that's exactly what I did, and I let you guys know about that a little bit earlier, which is good. And then the moisturizer or the all-day hydrator, you can use AM and PM, which is good. You can use as a daily moisturizer. It says on clean, dry face and neck, and it can also be used as a makeup